Did you know that poor digestion affects millions of people every day? From bloating to indigestion, these issues can slow us down. But what if there was a simple, natural way to improve your digestion? Today, we're going to talk about easy diet changes and natural remedies that can instantly improve your gut health. Let's start with a powerful ingredient, ginger. For centuries, ginger has been used to treat digestive problems. It contains compounds that stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce inflammation. Whether you add it to your tea or chew on a small piece, ginger can help ease indigestion and even reduce bloating. Next up, peppermint. If you suffer from gas or bloating, peppermint oil or tea can be your best friend. It relaxes the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping your body process food more efficiently. In fact, peppermint has been widely used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, offering relief to millions of people globally. Another simple remedy that can work wonders is apple cider vinegar. Just mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of it in a glass of water and drink before meals. This boosts your stomach acid, helping break down food faster and improve nutrient absorption. It's great for preventing heartburn and indigestion. A critical part of digestion also lies in your gut's bacterial balance. This is where probiotics come in. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are packed with these beneficial bacteria. Including them in your diet can help restore gut flora and improve digestion, making you feel less bloated after meals. One often overlooked remedy is fennel seeds. In many cultures, people chew fennel seeds after meals to reduce gas and bloating. It helps relax the muscles in your intestines, promoting smoother digestion. You can even make fennel tea for an extra boost. Another excellent option is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera helps soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, which is especially helpful for those who suffer from acid reflux or heartburn. Drinking a small amount before meals can help keep your digestion on track. Want a more fermented twist? Adding kimchi or miso to your meals introduces natural enzymes that aid digestion. Fermented foods like these are known for their ability to break down food efficiently and improve gut health. If you're looking for a super spice to add to your diet, turmeric is a fantastic choice. Thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin, turmeric helps fight inflammation in the digestive system. Add a pinch to your meals and you'll notice how much better your stomach feels over time. Now, one of the simplest tips: stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids digestion by breaking down fats and helping your body absorb nutrients. Sometimes it's as easy as sipping water throughout the day to keep things flowing smoothly. And finally, let's talk about chewing your food slowly. It sounds basic, but chewing your food thoroughly can make a world of difference. This simple habit allows your digestive system to process food easier and absorb more nutrients, reducing the chance of bloating or indigestion. In summary, improving your digestion doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these natural remedies into your diet, like ginger, peppermint, and probiotics, you can feel lighter, reduce bloating, and improve overall gut health. The best part? These simple changes can make a difference instantly. So, start today. Try adding one of these tips to your next meal and see how your digestion improves.